be discussing the simulation for smart garbage monitoring system. The detection and monitoring of the waste is one of the primary problems in the present era. The traditional way of manually identifying and monitoring the waste in a bin is a cumbersome process and requires more human effort, time, and cost, which can easily be avoided with the present day technology. The proposed system by giving the real-time indicator of the waste present in the garbage bin at any time. This gives the bin that is filled with waste. This also allows the track optimize the routes and collect the bins by weekly or daily schedule. This system is designed to minimize the flow of waste onto the roads, and it also tells the percentage of the bin that is filled with the mainly designed to sort the waste into different categories like metal, wet and dry using Arduino microcontroller, which is easy to operate and efficient. Now Priyesh will be explaining the
Okay, so the hardware components used in our project of Smart Bin are Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, that is HC SRO4, to give us the proper level of garbage filled in our Smart Bin. LCD screen is used to display the exact percentage of the bin filled. A Wi-Fi module ESP8266 has been used to transmit the data through Wi-Fi to the user's mobile to give them an info about the garbage filled in a smart bin. Potentiometer and resistors are used to shorten to manage the power supply to all the components in this smart bin. The software used for our simulation is Tinkercad, and an app has been used. That's the MIT App Inventor for the user interface to give them an idea about the smart bins garbage collection, and ThinkSpeak is used for Wi-Fi module. Further code explanation will be done by Shlok.
Okay, so before code explanation, we'll just have a look at the simulation. Once we start the simulation, we move on to the LCD where we get a display which is hello there. And then we move on to the ultrasonic sensor, which gives us the live status, which gives the user the live status of the bin. And we can, in the simulation, we can adjust the ball, which is referred to as an object, to which the LCD shows the display of LCD shows the output to which at which extent the bin is filled. So as you can see over here, the LCD is the object is quite relatively in front of the sensor, and it is showing that it is 14% full. So so this is the basic simulation. Now we move on to the code. So as we use the Tinkercad, we do not have any passwords to our virtual Wi-Fi. So over this, first off, we include all the basic libraries that are required to set up the environment. And as we use the Tinkercad virtual Wi-Fi and the SSID, no password is required. So we initially set up the environment, and now we move on to the components part. Which is over here. So this part is for the ultrasonic distance monitor, the distance meter, in which we use the trigger pin functions that will provide the output in time of milliseconds to the user. These pin mode trigger functions are used to display the output in the LCD as well as the application from which the user can know the status of the bin. And we initialize the Wi-Fi module by the AT commands by using serial.begin, which is over here. The 5520 is the required code to get the USB connected to the monitor, so to the computer. And we furthermore establish the TCP connection to the host, which will enable the app connectivity to our system. Further on, we set up the LCD to a circuit, and we use lcd.print to display the output, which you can see over here. and then we use the basic LED commands that will display the output, or that will display the output that is sent from the circuit, and thus that is sent from the circuit. Thus, this was an overlook of how our system functions, and hence we would like to conclude our presentation here. Thank you.